ncho mwegera chinga kichika abariko barenkaso mutima ko yigo mutambe gweru sabo kwareganya umoyiga bwesu kukuna bego mwaka mu 2025 niko bona abariko bagenda rego segetwa akone kyabuna mbachiko beko mukya ase chisemi kibara chikorera chisemi cyabo mutinyo mutangari mwako gocha muri kitodi pona sanyo nanyara ko bakago sanga umurobiro one kibone kyombe kya Minto Foundation ekanya ko bariko batoko bosemi bugo cya saba buri bane kibuna ko bayikabaranga abariko babochinga kichiga abiko barugo sabo go cya saba ko banyara ko baba kwerenda kone kyabuna bago chikorera chisemi cyabo mwako gocha manyara ko babara senchirengi
asa marieta injinara asa mose no yo mobo ase kyombe kya Minto ni director lero tulega Camel Park naba ndena barabugega ne volunteer etuacha ke gatwaleta abana be school Minto Foundation nilebwate abana go sponsor ase zemo ye school fees ase school ya Amasege, school ya Kabirigo, school ya Sironga, school ya Tombegal abana abonsipi seundira basige di school tokarara mbuya tigato barete gaiga egere baje gaiga bakwanirwe na ndi bawe obosemi.
Is Bina Maseno, Executive Director, Badili Africa, but a very big fan, friend and admirer of the work that Minto Foundation is doing. The lives of the students they've chosen to support not only their education, but their ability to dream, right? Their ability to raise up and be leaders, their ability to build their self-esteem, to build their confidence. So the holistic nature of this mentorship session is so critical. And then also the pairing of mentors with the students so that they have people who can journey with them is very, very important. Also given the fact that, you know, currently we have a lot of school dropouts, we have drug and substance abuse that is quite rampant currently. So just having a holistic mentorship session like this that is not only supporting education, but then it's also supporting them with their ability to have someone they can lean on, someone they can call, someone who can advise them in terms of the choices they are making with their lives.
Minto Foundation ngano ko waka ne physio to botegeta abana batubogwate okoboko koboko kurchuo cha kirasime to batambuke university to bali bakovis yani to batawanga from school to boardroom. That's our unity mantra yetu